5 years ago, I reviewed my sister's 2007 Mazda 3. My parents bought it for her, brand new. I really liked that car, and I was really impressed it hit 200,000 miles. I like pretty much everything, and being a car guy, I wish I had access to more cars to review. So I put a review up of that car, and it's one of my most popular videos. A lot of people subscribe to me because of that video, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is the car my sister replaced it with. 2017 Jetta. I'm borrowing it right now, so I want to make a review of this car. I'm gonna run it through the wash right now. Buy 5 get 1 free. Redeeming my free car wash on this car. I always choose the touchless option. I always get paranoid. What if the brush gets a rock lodged in it and that rock spins onto your car and scratches up your car? That's why there's a sign that says we are not responsible for damages to your car. So the new owner of that Mazda 3 actually left me a comment a couple of years ago. Here it is right here. So 250,000 miles at the time that comment was left, and I know that's the new owner because the new owner named things that I didn't talk about in the video that was, imperfections on that car. So hopefully the new owner chimes in and gives us an update on this video. How many miles that Mazda 3 is up to. It was up to 250,000 miles. Maybe it's up to 300,000 now. So my sister bought this car brand new. My sister drives a lot. 2017 Jetta, 75,000 miles on this. The first year she put 40,000 miles on this car. She drives a lot. I think that's why she finally decided to get a new car. My sister's very responsible. She wants a Mercedes, but she jumped on this Jetta because of the deal. It was for sale for $17,000, and she just couldn't pass up that deal of $17,000. So that's how she ended up with this car. So she did the responsible thing. It would have been cool. My sister deserves a Mercedes. My sister works really hard. So my sister drives a lot. That's why she wanted a new car. And like I said, she had to jump on this deal because it was $17,000 brand new for this car. I got 50 seconds of dryer left. So the first year of this car, she put 40,000 miles, I think, 30 or 40,000 miles. And of course, in 2020, the world changed and she got to work from home. So the miles slowed down a little bit. She's driving a lot now. This should hit 100,000 miles real soon. My sister got that Mazda 3 because when she was getting into college, my parents bought her. My sister always wanted a Jetta, especially the Jetta she got. She liked that body style. This is the body style she had. So unfortunately, that Jetta my parents bought her ended up being a lemon. It was in the dealer like once a month. So my parents finally gave up on that car, and that's how she ended up with the Mazda 3. She asked me, what car should I get? And I remember my friend at the time had a Mazda 3, and I thought it was the nicest of the economy cars. And, I always liked their Mazda 3. That's why I made a video about it. So this is what she has now. I look forward to seeing if she could get 100 or 200,000 miles on this. It's a Volkswagen. I don't have too much faith in these cars, but you never know. Maybe this car will be good. The only thing that's wrong with it, as far as I know, in the time she's had it, is she says this computer here just freezes a lot. That's it. Her other Jetta, she had I want to say a 03. Her 03 just had problems all the time. It was, like I said, it was a lemon, and that's why she had that Mazda 3. But since she drives a lot, she ended up with this car. So I'm gonna do a road trip. I have 1 week with this car. I'm gonna go on a road trip this Saturday. That's why I'm cleaning it up for her. It looks good right now. She's actually keeping this pretty clean. I haven't attempted to clean it yet, but looking at it, it's not bad. It's nice and clean right now. All right, so that's what happened. This is what replaced her Mazda 3. She's back to a Jetta. She wanted a Jetta after high school and it didn't work out. Then she had that Mazda 3 from 03 to 2017, the end of 2016. All right, guys, take it easy. Working on a review of this car this week.